first of all, let me tell you, if you observe this year PROPAK, this is the first time they extended the hall to the third hall also. Up to last year, it was only in 2 halls. Now this year, they extended because the demand of the exhibitor was so high that they had to extend to the third hall. So you can see now that a lot of industries are participating in PROPAK. Now, we are participating every year in PROPAK, and this is a very good platform for showcasing.
Yes.
Even our products, apart from our products, even a lot of international manufacturers of the machine, they come. And I can tell you, last year when we participated, we bought the one machine on the spot. They brought one machine for showcasing, display the machine, and we on the spot we purchased, we paid the duty and brought the machine to our plant. This year also we made some deals. So now, when we get any new technology, definitely we go for that. Because now Nigerian economy is changing.
Yes.
It's changing now. Now it's going to the international level. Now if you see the packaging of Nigerian products, like consumer products, biscuits or drinks, all are international packaging. Because now it's being exported out of Nigeria as well. Like we are also exporting to ECOWAS and some other African countries, our biscuits, our drinks. So now, there's an exhibition in Germany, K-Show, that also for the machinery. So we are also participating in that. Now, when there are so much competition in Nigeria about packaging now, so we have to go for latest technology. Now, recently we have brought one new machine called Miraflex from Germany, which now is the latest technology no one has in Nigeria. Initially we brought Windmuller. That was the first of its kind in West Africa and Sub-Saharan Africa. That's producing very well. Now, since we saw that competition increasing, so many players are coming to market, so we brought one latest technology machine called Miraflex, which is the engineers from Germany are here. We are into all the sectors of the economy. We are into FMCG, we are into packaging, we are into gas industries, and we are into agriculture as well. So we are playing a vital role in the economy of the country. Now, in the packaging, we have a 3 sector in the economy. We have a blow molding, we have a injection molding, which we are making the crates of all multinational companies. Then we have this flexible packaging. In the flexible packaging, which we participate in PROPAK also, we are into blown film area, where we are bringing the new machine, as I mentioned to you, Miraflex. Then we are into light packaging. In light packaging, we are making the cartons and the light boxes for the soap, for toothpaste. All these now, there are a lot of industries are growing in Nigeria. Everybody wants to manufacture in Nigeria because import is difficult. No country can survive on import. Foreign exchange is scarce. So now, a lot of consumer industries are coming to Nigeria. When they want to produce, they want a good packaging to attract the customers. The customer, when they see that it's a good packaging, only when they will take the products into their hand and see where it's made, and they will try. If the packaging is not good, it will not attract the customers. So now we are into light packaging as well. We are making the light board for the biscuit, for drinks, pharmaceutical bottles, and then we make for soap boxes, toothpaste boxes, hair also, boxes for the hair also, artificial hair. And apart from that, we are making the corrugated cartons as well. So we are into that as well. So we have brought 2 machines for that, latest technology machines, and we are making the self-adhesive stickers for the multinational products, for the liquid detergent. We are making the stickers for the bottles.
How is the market share now?
Market share, we can see we are number 1 now at the moment in all these segments packaging. Our market share, we can say, is 35 to 40% because there are so many players in the market, small also. But our quality remains number 1. Now, if you see, since the new administration came into power, they started encouraging the local industries because after collapse of the oil sector, because now the oil prices, you can't rely on the oil income. So we also started developing local industries. So now I can tell you, yes, we have grown almost 100% every year for the last 4 years. So we are still expanding because we have belief in Nigerian economy. We are still expanding. We are bringing the new latest technology machines for biscuits. We are bringing machines for the plastic packaging. We are bringing new machines for the gas industry. And you know, in the gas industry, I can tell you there's one refinery is being built in Lagos, petroleum refinery.
Yes.
We are the only one supplying all the industrial gases to that refinery.
Very good.
So we are supplying all the gases.
Nigeria.
Yeah,
is-
pride of Nigeria. We are proud of Nigeria.
Yes.
Even if I say our emblem is pride of Nigeria,
Yes.
it's Nigerian.
That's one.
You know, there are few challenges in the industries.
Yes.
One challenge is the power. Now, we have to cater for our own power. Like I can tell you, we have our own power industry. We are in the IPP, we have our own independent power project, where we supply the power to our own industries in Ota, where we have the industries. So power is a major challenge. Apart from power, there is an infrastructure. You can see the conditions of the road.
Very good. Yes.
They are very, very bad. And then government must do something. You know, if the infrastructure is good, the industries can grow better. And the cost, we can reduce the cost. Because if the power is available and the roads are good, it will reduce your cost of production. If you reduce your cost of production, you will be better competitive in the market. You can export better.
Yes.
Yes, definitely, it's a good sign for the country because, you know, the border is a porous, Nigerian border.
Yes.
A lot of goods are being smuggled out, even petroleum products are being smuggled out. With this one, smuggling of foreign arms are stopped into the country and local products. Finance sector, yes, now I can see the awareness by the financial regulators to encourage more finance to the real sector of the economy. I can Central Bank of Nigeria has also given the directives to all the commercial banks to give more lending to the real sector and not investing in the treasury bills. So they have set a minimum ratio which they must invest in the real sector. So there's a good sign from that. Apart from that, Bank of Industry also supporting the industries. But only one thing is the cost of finance is very expensive, which makes the export incompetitive. So the cost of funding should be cheaper. If it is single digit, you can compete anywhere in the world and you can export your products better. We say we are pride of Nigeria. We believe only in local products. We set up the industry where we can consume only local products. So I can tell you, yes, we use minimum 85% local raw material across our industry. You know, we have 10 industries currently, and we use 85% local. There are certain products which cannot be manufactured in Nigeria, which are not being manufactured, which we import from time to time. Yes, but yes, we believe recently Ogun State government has allocated land where we are planting cassava and coconut, because we are going into coconut oil industry, we are into palm oil industry, plus we are into coconut oil, and so we are planting our own coconuts. So we have got a land from the Ogun State government where we plant. So we are going into agriculture as well. Now, you know, he has a passion of industries.
Yes.
He thinks what he can do for the local people. Because you know, he has a Ghanaian passport, so he's African by heart.
Yes, of course.
He's African by heart.
Yes, it's
So-
our own.
Yes. So he believes in local country. He believes in localize the industries. How can I use the local raw material? How can you provide more job opportunity? You know, we have almost 6,000 employment to the local staff. Expert, we have only few,
Yes.
not much. Only 6,000 local. Plus, we are coming up with a new industry. We are coming up with the edible oil industry recently. We are coming up with the soap and detergent industry. Because still he is expanding. He is 78, but you know, he's still young. You know, our relation with Eastern Organization Nigeria and NAFDAC is very cordial.
Yeah.
And we are registered with 2 of the authorities. And whenever we have any customer forum, we invite 2 of them to come and listen to customer directly, not through us. To listen, if they have any complaint of quality, they must listen to customer directly. So we invite both of them. And we have very good relation. They come to our industry from time to time and check our facilities on ground. So that relationship we have. As you mentioned, yes, we start, others follow.
Yes.
I can tell you, in biscuit industry, our products are being copied. Exactly the same as packaging. One of the products called Malty biscuit. One of the international biscuit company has copied our products as it is, even packaging as it is. So you can see now, we are the leaders, others to follow. Even in packaging, we were the first to bring the machine, latest technology machine, others have brought later. Now the latest technology we have brought is Miraflex. Let's see if over a period of time, others will also bring in.
Yes, that's why
So-
I say you set the pace.
Yes, and our chairman, he believes in latest technology. Anywhere there is a technology fair, he must participate. He himself goes, sees what is latest technology, and he books the latest machines.
On that kind of promotion.
You know, our chairman received a lot of international and local awards,
Yes.
even in Kichu Ocha by Olota Ocha. And we got the award of International Packaging Award also
Yes.
in Canada.
And, yes.
So it's verifying our quality of products. It justifying, yes, we are the leader in the quality, and that's why, and when we got the award there, we were the only company in Nigeria nominated for the award. Nigeria has a lot of scope for it to as a growth. Still, you can see Nigerian economy is still growing, and world may be going into recession, but Nigerian economy has not gone yet, and it's still growing, and there's a lot of potential to grow. Oil prices may vary up and down, but industrial growth is still continuing. You can see there are a lot of patriotic Nigerians as well. They are also plowing back in the economy. A lot of industries are coming by Nigerians as well, foreigners as well, but even Nigerians.
Yes,
Okay.
this is some
Now-
of the award.
Yeah, let me show you some of our awards we have won in the industries. And you know, this is our corporate headquarters where we keep some of the awards, but we have an industry headquarters in Ota where we have all the industries. There also we have kept a lot of awards there. But let me show you what we have here. This is the World Packaging Award, Gold Award, which we won for the barrier film we made for one of our multinational company here in Nigeria. And it was the only entry which was accepted from Nigeria, and it won the award. So this is the award for that. Then this is the exhibition Complast, which was held in Nigeria. We won 2 awards, one this and one here too. And I can tell you, if you see, we have got our articles published in the Business Year, this international magazine, World Class, Indicator was World Class magazine. And I can show you,
Yes.
this is the credit manager. This is an international agency which gives the award to all the industries for the credit rating. So if they can publish our group chairman phone, that shows that they believe in our credibility of our industry. So because of that now, this also, our chairman appeared on the front page of the packaging magazine, Nigeria Packaging, because we are a member of Nigeria Packaging, and they are the one who nominated our chairman, this award, and we got the award. This year they nominated our group chairman as a lifetime achievement award. So hopefully, let's see how it goes. And so every year we participate in all the industries and we see what award can be given to us. We don't converse the award, we don't pay for the award, we just earn it. We just earn the award
On merit.
on merit. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.